What's going on, guys? Jason here from Poor Man's Preparing, and now's a good time to be talking about long-term food or just non-refrigerated food items. Now, before we start this, we'll just say a lot of people have their own different taste and what they like. Maybe they have diet restrictions, what you're allergic to. That's something you're going to have to deal with on your own. Not listen to someone else that doesn't know what you're going through. So then that's on you to figure out. This video is food that I can eat, that I like storing, and maybe you didn't think about. So we'll run that intro and check out what I got. Alright, so we'll talk about the things that people mostly know. Tuna, you can get it two different ways, in a can, in a pouch. I like the pouches. You can eat it right out of them. You ain't got to worry about draining the water, nothing like that. And make sure you get the ones with water. The ones with vegetable oil, no bueno. So we got tuna. Look at this can right here, the date, 9/5/2022. Lasts a long time. Date on this pouch, December 21st, 2021. Lasts a long time. People say the pouches don't last very long. They're wrong. They last a long time. Just look at the date. Don't listen to people. Look for yourselves. Alright? Sorry, a little angry rant there. More meat. Canned chicken. A lot of people don't look at this. Canned chicken is great. You can use it with noodles. I mean, you can eat it out of the can if you want. You can use it to make chicken and dumplings, which, speaking of noodles and chicken and dumplings, bouillon cubes. These make chicken broth. They work great. Get some of them. October 17th, 2021. Last a long time. Keep them. So egg noodles. You can just, all you need is this and water. You know, I like them. I eat them all the time. Anyway, so I have extra of all this stuff. Actually, I have extra in the pantry right here, but I didn't want to drag it all out. So chicken bouillon cubes, or it comes in a powder as well, whatever you like. They have beef, I'm sure they have pork, they have all of them. So stock up on those, make a good broth, to make a soup and other things. The noodles, everything here is relatively cheap. These are like $1, can of tuna is $1. These are a couple bucks because there's a lot of cubes in there. It's like 1 cube for 8 ounces of water, so they last a long time. Super cheap. These noodles, they're good and tasty. All you need is throw a little salt on them. You're good to go. Add a can of chicken. You got almost chicken noodle soup. Of course, you can add celery and carrots to it to give it a little bit more flavor. Alright, so we got that stuff out of the way. Peanut butter. Duh, right? Peanut butter. Everybody should have peanut butter. Oh, where's the date on this? June 15th, 2021. Lasts a long time. Great on crackers. You can put it on celery. Of course, you can just put it on a spoon and eat it. Peanut butter, good to have. Vegetables and fruits. Yes, you can get fruit in a can. Look, peaches. I love peaches. About the only fruit I really like. I guess tomatoes, those are basically a fruit. But that's something I don't have yet. It'd be good to have. You know, tomato paste, tomato juices, stuff like that. Green beans, corn. I mean, you can get these sometimes for 50 cents. And they last, let's see if this can. December 2022. Corn. August 25th, 2021. And the peaches. I expect these not to last. No, they do. April 16th, 2022. Surprised me there. I thought this would be maybe a year and a half. Over 2 years. So bam. Vegetables. Can't forget beans. Pork and beans. These are great in tomato sauce for extra, look, 6 grams of protein per serving. Oh, the date on these. January 17th, 2022. Another one that you can find for on sale all the time. 10 for $10, 10 for $5, whatever they are. So bam. Vegetables and fruits, good for you. Beans are in the meat category, right? In the pyramid, food pyramid. Alright, so we got, next up we can talk about some meals ready to go. Stuff like chunky soup, 19 grams of protein per can. Bam! Lots in there. Vegetables, your meats. They have several different flavors of this. They got like pot roast and cheesy bacon, or cheesy baked potato soup, and all kinds of different things. I have. Well, let me get another one to see what the name of it is. Baked potato with cheddar and bacon bits. There we go. That's what I was looking for. But these last December 1st, 2021. Good to have. Next up, look, chicken and dumplings are ready to go in a can. January 23rd, 2022. Last a long time. Bam, good to go. You could eat it just like it is if you want. Or you could heat this can up with a little gas stove. A good thing to look for when buying canned items. Look at them, easy to peel, no can opener needed. But everybody needs a hand crank can opener. Not just an electric one, a hand crank one. These are like $1. Come on, get 10 of them, you'll be fine. Use a P38 can opener, P51, whatever you gotta do. So there we go, Chef Boyardee. They make a ton of these. Spaghetti, ravioli, what else we got? I can't remember. Beefaroni. Those are the main ones, good enough. I forgot to put this out. Chicken noodle soup. Campbell's, they make a ton of things. Easy, pull top. December 15th, 2021. All this stuff, it lasts a long time, guys. Alright, let's move on to something else. We got some different rice things here. Look, they're all, there's so many different kinds of these. I don't know if it's focused on it. It's focused on the G back there. There we go. Chicken, rice, and pasta blend, savory chicken flavor. Same thing there. Mexican style rice. A little bit extra spice, bell peppers, and Mexican seasoning. Chicken flavored fettuccine and a savory chicken flavor sauce. These are cheap. Let's see, where's the date on them? Right here, best by April 9th, 21. They last a long time, they're cheap, and they're not half bad. So, moving on. Instant potatoes. The kind you just need to add water to, not milk. I mean, the milk ones are probably, you could probably add milk to these, I don't know. But they just call for water. And the good date, they're best before the 4th of March, 2021. Again, something that lasts a long time, you only need water. Good to go. Alright, and there's more things. Applesauce. Applesauce, look at this big jug of applesauce. Guess how long it lasts? Best by August 6th, 2021. Long time, guys. Spaghetti sauce and spaghetti noodles. Got a bunch of this stuff. Spaghetti noodles, they're like freeze dried. This stuff lasts forever. Of course, it probably does have a best buy date on it. It says September 12th, 2022. So, long time there. Ragu spaghetti sauce. I like the meat. Gotta have the meat. November 27th, 2021. Bam. So look at all this different types of food you could have. You don't have to eat like crap. Do I have my ramen noodles? You bet your ass I do. But I also have good food. Because I like eating good food. Some of you might not call it good food. But I think there's nothing wrong with this food. This is stuff I eat right now. So I'm not just stocking up on, you know, bags of rice with no flavor. Or, you know, a giant bag of potatoes. Although I do have potatoes. But I have a wide variety of other things as well. So this is good stuff to have. It's easy to make. You just have to warm it up. And you're good to go. A lot of these are meals in a can. I mean, what else is there to say about it? Stock up on it. Stop listening to people. You don't have to go spend a bunch of money to get good quality food that's going to last a long time. So, that's it, guys. I'll see you in another video where we talk about some snacks. Oh, almost forgot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Notifications. What is the rest? Stay healthy, stay positive, and stay prepared. Peace.